Hello, I'm Matt, this is Kanan, and behind us is Haylin. Hi Haylin! I'd like to talk to you today about a touch rugby tournament I'm organising in Llandersil in West Wales. It's on Saturday the 5th and Sunday the 6th of May, which is the bank holiday weekend. I've been playing touch myself for about 10 years now in Cardiff before I moved over to West Wales. There's a league there which has been going since about 1991, set up by a couple of Kiwis. In New Zealand the game is very popular, as well as in Australia. It's one of the biggest sports there, and I think that's one of the reasons why Australia and New Zealand are so good at rugby, is because they teach their children to play touch before they get into all the tackling and scrums and lineouts, etc. So what I've decided to do is set up a family day where people can try out touch for themselves and play a little competition as well. So on Saturday the 5th of May, starting at 12 o'clock until about 4, there's a chance for you to come and try the game out. So for the first hour we'll be doing a taster session, and then we'll be splitting up into our teams and playing a family competition. If you're interested in playing, everything's available on our website, which is www.gorllewingwyllt.com. You can also find me on Facebook, which is facebook.com/wildwesttouch, or on Twitter, which is twitter.com/wildwesttouch. Diolch yn fawr.